over here in the shade. That's a sump pump. That's a sump pump. That's what we used to have in our basement.
Sump pump?
That's what that says on that box. A sump pump.
Is that what it was? Just burn up. That's a short-lived pump.
Pump's live a lot longer than that.
Yeah, I would think so.
Yeah, I would hope.
Bring in big channel wires. We got some. They bringing some back, John. They bringing some back. Sure. Yeah. We got like 2 of them. Hey, we'll put the new pump on and then back feed it to check it.
What did he say?
If you back feed it, check it. Whatever the hell that means.